Hi, Domenica here from easysewingforbeginners.com. In this video today, I'll be unboxing this Stirling by Janome sewing machine. So I was in Aldi recently and I saw the name Janome and was wondering what it was doing in Aldi. It was only $99, so I decided to pick one up. And this is probably more for my Australian audience, so sorry about those of you in the US. I don't think these would be available there. I picked one up and I'm going to unbox it here for you, and then I'll create some more videos on how to use this sewing machine and give it a good test drive and see if it's worth the $99 and see if it lives up to the Janome brand. Okay, let's open this baby up. Not using my fabric scissors here. Okay, I'll get this out of the box and show you what's in it. So I've got features and instruction manual. We have the foot pedal and the power cord. And here's the actual machine. So it's a mechanical sewing machine. You've got your stitch selection and your stitch width. You've got two spindles here for your spools of thread. You've got your tension here. This little extension table is removable, and you've got a front loading bobbin sewing machine here. Has a bobbin already in the case there, so that's lovely. Now in here you've got a little bag of extra goodies. Let's see what we've got. So we've got a buttonhole foot. We have a pack of 3 extra needles, which always comes in handy. You have a seam ripper, very handy. I think this is a darning plate, which you may probably never use. You've got 3 extra bobbins here and 2 other feet. So you've got a zipper foot, and this one looks like a blind hem foot, which you'd use if you were hemming dress pants or something like that. Okay, so a good amount of little accessories there. Alright, and the instruction manual. So you've got your warranty card, warranty certificate there, and instruction manual. So I'll take a good look through this and make some videos for you guys if you want to see how to use this machine with just the basics. And yeah, that's the close look inside the box of Stirling by Janome. So I'll have a good play around with this now and see how it performs, and I'll make some videos on how to use it and also a general review of how well it works as well. Okay, so be sure to check out the playlist to see all the other videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.